How to join Lyft Bank. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add membership in Lyft application. First of all, open it. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So these are the profile settings. Now on the top, at the first option, you can see Lyft Bank. Simply tap on Lyft Bank. So this is basically a type of membership that you can get in this Lyft application. Simply tap on join now. Here there are different packages that are available, so you can select the one that you like. So if you use this and have membership, there will be certain discounts and many offers as you use it. So if you are a daily user, I prefer you to choose any of this plan and simply select the plan. So here you must agree all the things and terms and conditions and add and pay directly to get this membership. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.